How to recover deleted Telegram groups. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Telegram, log into your account, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. If you have deleted it, you'll find undo option for 5 seconds. If you can't find it, simply click on search bar on top. Simply search the group name in here. As you have just deleted group, you'll find the group in here. You won't find messages, but you will find the group and you can simply message in the group. And this is how to recover deleted Telegram groups. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.